Power plants.
Microsoft.
New smart glasses.
Rockets.
Stay tuned. Tesla, an Elon Musk-owned company, has announced that they're going to be building the first virtual power plant in southern Australia. It's expected to power over 50,000 homes in the area, store energy into Tesla batteries, and all excess energy over the next 4 years is going to be fed back into the grid, hopefully supplying more homes that are going to be built. Really cool stuff Tesla's doing out.
Microsoft is in a power play against Dropbox and Google. It is now offering to customers with existing contracts for data storage 3 free years of OneDrive backup and services. We'll see how this plays out between the big data storage monsters.
Next, we finally have smart glasses that look like normal glasses, thanks to Intel. They were released recently, and they look just like casual glasses that you wear, except these ones do not have the arm that sticks out. They don't have a power button. They don't have a swipe gesture like the previous smart glasses that we've seen. And instead of it looking like a projection on your lens, these are actually projected onto your retina. So it's not an LCD screen on your glasses itself. This is really cool technology that Intel's implemented.
The future.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Yesterday, SpaceX launched their Falcon Heavy rocket. This rocket will be the future, likely, of Mars space travel. It carries a very heavy payload. The first thing that it took out on this first trip was Elon Musk's Tesla Roadster.
Because why not, Elon?
Yes, he can just do whatever he wants. So there is now a Tesla Roadster floating through space. It turns out that they slightly missed the trajectory and it will miss Mars by a little bit, but still it's out there floating in space. And it was a complete success.
And this week's tech history. On February 4th, 2004, the Facebook was born. That's right, the social media platform we're all used to, thanks to Mark Zuckerberg, later to be renamed Facebook. It's something we all like.
On February 4th of 1997, Apple purchased Next, Steve Jobs' software company, in hopes of creating the next operating system for their Macs, and Steve Jobs returned to Apple, turning the company around and helping it get on its feet to what it is today.
And that will do it for this week's episode of Between the Bytes. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, tell your friends and family about it, and tune in next week to see Gary.